Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's lesson, I am going to teach you about the day 2, which we are going to talk about the idioms. Let's get started. Idioms make you sound like a native speaker. And idioms are phrases or sayings with meanings that are different than what is actually being said. In other words, they should not be taken literally. For example, if someone is in the same boat as someone else, it means they are in the same situation. They're not actually in the same boat together. There are many different idioms that have developed in the English language, especially in the North America. So to be more fluent, talk English like an American using these idioms that I'm gonna tell you these days. Number 1, on a roll. On a roll. This saying means you are making good progress or are doing a really good job. For example, the boss decided to promote Juan because he had been on a roll lately. Number 2, a piece of cake. Although this might sound delicious, it isn't referring to an actual piece of cake. It means something that is very easy. For example, the quiz was a piece of cake, so all of the students passed it with an A. Number 3, easy as pie. This one is similar to the last idioms because it isn't literally talking about pie. It also means when something is very easy. For example, the project was an easy as pie, so they finished it quickly. Number 4, raining cats and dogs. It will be very scary and concerning if cats and dogs were really falling from the sky like rain. Raining cats and dogs means when it is raining really hard. For example, it was raining cats and dogs outside, so the event had to be cancelled. Number 5, get the ball rolling. This saying means to begin something so you can start making progress or so you can finish something. For example, let's get the ball rolling on the construction project so they can return to their house. Number 6, my dogs are barking. In here, an owner isn't talking about their pet dogs being loud. My dogs are barking is another way of saying my feet are hurting. After walking around all day, my dogs are barking. Number 7, hit the sack. To hit the sack is another way of saying to go to sleep. People usually say it when they're very tired. For example, today was a really long day, so I am going to hit the sack now. Number 8, hold your horses. Whoa! Horse! No. This saying isn't about real horses. It means to calm down or to be patient. The teacher told her students to hold their horses when they all started running after the lunch bell rang. Number 9, under the weather. This idiom means to not feel well. It could mean someone is sick or that they're upset about something. For example, she went home early because she was feeling under the weather and had a very bad headache. Number 10, cut to the chase. Cut to the chase means to get to the point without wasting time. For example, feeling impatient and angry, he told them to cut to the chase and stop avoiding his questions. Last but not least is to have a big mouth. If you have a big mouth, you may not actually have a large mouth on your face. This American idiom refers to when someone likes to talk or gossip. For example, she has a big mouth and tells others my secrets, so I stopped telling her personal things. Thanks for watching! If you feel this lesson is helpful for you, why not share it to your friends and family in Facebook or Twitter? Goodbye!